Alright everybody, just Ron here, back again doing an unboxing. It's in a festive box, so it's pretty cool for Christmas time. So I'm enjoying that. I think this is going to be my accessories for my camera, which I'll be super excited about. So you've seen my other videos when I open up my DJI OSMO camera, action camera. So what I want to do is set it up to be my primary filming camera too as well. And also that includes getting the mic for it. So there is a mic on the unit itself, but they have these adapters that they sell, and DJI I think just came out with one, but this is a third-party company, but they endorse them. So it's a CYNOVA adapter, and it's a 3.5mm adapter, and it's going to hook up to your Osmo camera and allow you to it's going to allow you to hook up a microphone, which is great. It can give you better sound on your action camera. Also too, you can use it as a charger. So let's open it up and see how this thing works. So the packaging is pretty sealed pretty well. There's some plastic on the bottom here. It's hard to get off. Alright, so I'm going to open from the bottom up. Let's slide this out. First off, you're going to get it is an instruction manual, so we'll make sure we put that here. And it's an after-sale warranty card, which is pretty much in all Chinese, so unless I can find a translator, that will be pretty much useless. And then I pull it out of the box. Here's the product. So it's in a black box, pretty simple looking. If you flip it around, you can see how the camera's sitting there and your units on the side here. So it should fit pretty well right on the camera. As you remember from my unboxing video and my adding my new case video, I bought a new case. I bought a new case to really work with this. So let me pull out my action cam now. So once again, I have the stock case that it came with, and the other case from PGY Tech. And the PGY Tech is the one that's going to allow me, when you look on the side here, if you use the original case, this converter wouldn't work on it, but with this case it will, and I'll show you why. Because in this case you have the door here you can remove and lift up, and that will help us when we open up this. So now we're going to go ahead and open up the product here. There is a Lucky Bird adapter on this. And I think this is a converter for USB. Not sure. I'm going to look that up. I don't know exactly what that is, but it's pretty cool. And it came with it, so I'll set it right here. Here's the adapter itself. It's boxed pretty well. Can barely get it out with my fingers. Alright. Nothing else is in the box. There's plastic around the outside. We just remove the plastic off the tabs here. And there's your USB-C port here. Also, it has the sound port here. Your 3.5mm. It has a USB-C here where you can actually charge up your unit while you're recording and while you're using the microphone, which is great. So back to the original case that came with it. I got another video where I upgraded the case. So here's the original case that goes on it. Here's the one I upgraded to, and the reason I upgraded to is because of this function here. When you open this up, it goes up, and now our adapter will be able to fit right in there. So if you look back at the original case that it comes with, you're not going to be able to plug this adapter into it. It just won't fit because the casing is so big. But the key is this. You're going to take this casing off, and the casing that I ordered, and I have a video to show you that casing. When you put this newer casing on, it's going to slide right into the casing. And the cool thing about this new case is that when you install the back piece here onto it, get the clicking noise when it clicks in, and if you see now, this sits off the camera a little bit, so your adapter will go right on. All you have to do is just take your door off here. This little small door here comes right off. It goes right back on if you want to put it back on. It goes right into your camera here, snaps in, and there's your setup now. Now you have the camera set up where you can have your 3.5mm audio coming out, and you can also power and charge while you do it as well. So this is a great little case, and I got a link to it below and a video on it below too. So now I'm ready for the next step. When my mic comes in, I will show you the next step when my mic comes in. Everybody take care.